we reserved a camp spot.
That is so weird.
It is weird. It's like,
But it was so funny because we roll up, and every time we pull up into a campground, the first question is, do you have reservations? And then we have to explain, no, we're just passing through. We're just checking it out, see if they have anything. And today we actually said yes.
yeah, and I almost said no.
Oh, out
said,
of habit.
My gosh, I do.
So there's a ton of little hiking trails. There's also an equestrian campground here. And then, of course, horse trails and things. So we're just going to go explore.
The state park is really big, but
It
the
is.
campground itself is on like 30 sites.
I think so, yeah.
And it's very private.
Yeah,
This is...
nice spot. Kind of backed up into the woods.
And there's the showers right across the road.
Yeah, that's handy.
We're roughing it.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're going to go walk around, and then I think tomorrow, 'cause it's kind of getting a little later in the day here, we're going to rent a canoe and then go canoeing. I expect another song in the canoe.
Serenade you.
Yes. O Sole Mio, or...
Who?
Yeah. All right, let's go for a walk, and then I don't know what's for dinner, do you?
Yep.
What?
Elk hummus.
Oh, yeah, okay. We'll get back to you on that. Elk hummus, you say? Yes. There's a restaurant in Bend, Oregon called Jules, and they have something called hummus on the range. And they take seared elk steak, sliced really thin, and they put that on top of hummus and a drizzle of olive oil and serve it with flatbread for an appetizer, and it's amazing. So we did our own version here. We didn't have any elk steak, but we had elk burger. So we have hummus, elk burger, and then a drizzle of avocado oil. And then I just grilled up some flatbread over the open propane flame on our stove. So let's get this going. That's very good. That's really, really, really good. It's not the same as at the restaurant. I season the elk meat with garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, paprika, and sea salt. And it's darn good. I think this will be dinner. Morning sunshine. Morning. Someone's not ready to get up yet. It's canoe time!
You ready, baby?
Yeah, this is more of a kayak.
It's kind of a kayak slash canoe.
Yeah. We'll see if Pistol falls asleep. She seems to, almost every time we get going here. I'm hoping to see some turtles. We saw turtles.
I like turtles.
I like turtles.
I like turtles.
Pistol got sleepy.
So funny. No matter what boat, paddleboard, she just falls asleep.
It's the motion.
Oh, Pistol, give me a hand.
Oh, okay. I gotta go. Off to the RV show. I actually really enjoyed this campground. It was super quiet.
Yeah, really quiet.
And the spaces had enough jungle between them that you really had a lot of privacy. So
The river was pretty low, but
it was difficult in some places to navigate because the sand was up so high, or the water was so low, as you said.
to the bottom of the stream.
The bottom came up. Whatever.
Bottom of the river's kind of high this time of year.
Yeah, exactly. I will knock you out. I'll do it too.
Turn the camera off.
Right. Oh, Pistol says it's too early, guys. I just want to snuggle. Pistol got a nice bath yesterday. She is squeaky clean and ready for loving. The good thing about the RV show is they allow dogs, so she'll be
well-behaved dogs.
well behaved. We should probably leave her in the van then.
Yeah.
She's on her as they come. Yeah.
Finally, been waiting for this RV show.
Yeah, that'd be kind of nice.
Well, it's one of those things that we really wanted to go to it, but it's like been looming out there of a place we had to be at a certain time, and so we're going to enjoy the show, and then we're just going to start working our way west.
Yep. But not in a hurry with this weather.
No.
It's still really cold. In some of the places we were last year around this time, it's cold right now. So we're just going to play it by ear and kind of meander our way west.
I imagine we'll be at the show for a couple, 3 days easy.
Could be.
We'll just see what we see.
I don't know. I don't know what to expect. I really have
There's-
no expectations. So
Someone I talked to yesterday said that last year there was like 100,000 people attended.
yeah,
I might be there for 5 minutes.
that's great.
Like,
That's
yeah.
a lot of. Well, maybe they didn't come all at once. It's a 5-day thing. So.
I'll run through the camera and
Yeah.
film the road trek bending area and then leave. No.
Yeah, we'll see.
I want to go in the biggest, most expensive Class A they got.
Yeah.
Take me to your leader.
Oh my gosh. Can you imagine driving one of those?
It
No.
would take some practice.
We're about an hour from the show, so let's get on down it.
Let's get on down it before the bottom of the creek rises any higher.
That's right. See you guys. Comment below. We'll catch you on the flip side.